Here I have Blackview BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then of course switch to the front camera, tap on the gear icon, and here you have mirror reflection feature. So like when you disable it, your front camera photos won't be mirrored anymore. Like as you can see here on the preview, I have lighting on the right side, but on the actual photo it's on the left side because I have this feature disabled, yeah. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.